High five. High five. Yay! Low five. Yay!
She's grabbing my fingers.
Come on, milk? Milk?
You stop at that house.
Oh. Hey! Oh, milk?
No way.
Say please. Thank you. Let her do it now, honey. You're spilling your milk. Jack. Fire, honey. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
What a mess. Say na-na.
Say boom boom ha. Nana, I'm done.
I'm going to give some of this to her then.
You can put it all to...
Neoma. Ah, you eat it. More? Neoma. High five. High five. What? Uh-oh. Eat it. Yum. More? More? There you go. Jig-Jag. You're not supposed to be on that, honey. You'll break it. You're too heavy. All done? All done.